収入 is mean income or revenue 会社の年間収入はいくらですか会社の年間収入はいくらですか How many incomes does the company make per year? How many incomes does the company make per year? In here, 年間収入 is mean income or revenue. It means the money that you earn. 年間 is mean 1 year. So they say 年間収入 is mean your income for 1 year. This mean 1 year how many money did you earn or can you make? So they say 年間収入. But the first 年間収入 they say 会社の is mean of the company. 会社 is mean a company. So no is mean of. So 会社の年間収入はいくらですか which mean how many incomes does the company make per year? And the 収入 the word 収入 they also use with the salaryman or the person in individual. For example, 田中さんの収入はいくらですか田中さんの収入はいくらですか which mean how many incomes does 田中さん make per year? Or what is the 田中さん's income per year? An example, when you go to the office for to pay the tax, they will ask you about your 収入 your incomes or your revenue per year. And in Japanese, they say 収入 収入は for example, they will ask you like あなたの年間収入はいくらですか Or they will say 年間収入を記入してください年間収入を記入してください It means please write down your incomes per year. That means if you write down your incomes per year, that they will know how to calculate for the tax. So they will use 収入